Hi, everyone. It's Monica Reynolds with MAPS, and I'm excited. And I'm asking you to take a bold step with me, a big, bold step with me, August 4th. What's going to happen August 4th? We've got Bold Pivot coming out again. And this time we listened to you. We took all of your suggestions and redid Bold Pivot. We have phenomenal guest speakers that will also be on Coach's Corner. We have accountability built in. We have so many role plays built in. You're not going to believe it. We've got role plays in the beginning, role plays at the end, ways to increase your skills. Now, I know you've got a great coach. That's awesome. However, let me share something with you because I've been coaching more than anyone in the country. And here's what I know. You've got August, September, and October, 3 months, 90 days. And Reg, R-E-G, Reg, the real estate god, says that those are the most powerful months right now to end the year. You're going to do some business in November and December, but those are gifts from Reg. If they close, list, sell, all of that. So we've got 90 days. So why not wake up each day with purpose and support each other in this great community of Bold? We listen to you. We've changed it. We've got some strong accountability. Everyone who takes Bold increases business. How can you not do this? So here's what I'd like you to consider. Take the bold step. Sign yourself up. Sign up your friends in real estate. Sign up your team. Take the bold step. Let's do this together and have a powerful 90 days. Can't wait to see you on the call. Go to mapscoaching.com. Thank you so much.